Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install WordPress. So if you want to install a WordPress in your system so you can create a website or maybe any other work, I'll show you how it can be done. To use WordPress and install it in your PC, you have to get another software or platform which is called local WP. You can simply go to a browser and from there you can just simply install it through its website. So simply go to your browser and then you have to search for local WP. You will get its link, which is the local WP. You can check it out. Simply get to its website and there you will see this option for download. You have to click onto it and after that you have to simply select these options, like if you want to download it for Windows or maybe for any other system, simply select it and simply add your email address and few other options that you can find it, and after that the downloading will start. Once the downloading gets done, then you have to simply install it. Once it gets installed, then further we can install and use the WordPress in it. So once the downloading is done, then you have to simply install it. In the installation, you get the usual options like next, and it asks you for some of the permission where you want to save the file. You have to simply go through all these options and after that it will get installed in your system. Once you have installed it, then simply you have to click onto it to open it. Once it gets open, then you have to create an account. For that, click onto this option and then it will redirect you to the browser. From there you have to simply sign up using your email address and your account will be created. Once it gets created, then you will see this option, create a new file. Here within that you will see this option for the WordPress. That means is the option we have to go with. Click on continue and give your project any name, whatever you would like to name it. Simply write your name. It will be your website or maybe for whatever project you're going for, and then you can choose a preferred or a custom option. It's as per your choice. And after that you have to simply set up your WordPress, but simply you have to create the credentials. You can just simply write as per there. Make sure your username is unique, if not then it will notify you and then you have to simply change it. So you have to simply go through all these options and once you have done it you can go to the next step. And now it will ask you if you want to have access to the network. You can allow or deny it as per your choice. And now the WordPress installation has been begun. So this process will take a while in this whole installation, and once this whole installation gets done, then you will see the WordPress will be installed and further you will be able to do your work. Here you can this option for WordPress admin that shows the WordPress has been installed. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.